Hi children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about farm animals. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick. Turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. Ox, O-X, ox. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share for my channel.